Okay, first register your account. Okay, use this my referral link. This link you will find into the description of this video. Okay, this is my referral code, capital A, capital G, capital K, 3 capital K. During registration you must note this. Okay, if you will register your account using my this referral code, you will get my team bonus. Okay, and 6 level 100% referrals bonus and profits. Okay, after registering RoyalQ, then
Hi everyone, welcome and each and every one of you. Today I am going to show you the very important topic, that is what Royal Q, okay, how to buy, okay, or manual replenishment, manual replenish in Royal Q. As you will see here, I have already opened Royal Q app, okay. After opening, this screen will appear, okay. I have already logged in. Now just click here quantitative. After clicking here, as you will see here, my Binance account balance is 104 USD. Okay, I am using this amount for manual replenishment. Okay, first I am, as you will see here, I have opened many trades here. Okay, and as you will see here, you are seeing a floating loss, that's called impermanent or temporary loss. Okay, when market is going up, and this loss will be converted into, okay, slowly into profits. Okay, now market is going to down. Okay, as you will see here, now market is going uptrend. Okay, but this is temporary loss. Okay, now I am finishing this temporary loss using what? Using replenish. Okay, just I am clicking here, for example, avox. Okay, after clicking avox, okay, as you will see here, this is 12.59% and average amount, average price means this price I have entered and start trade at first time. Okay, and current price is 68. Okay, there is difference. Okay, how much amount difference? First I am opening calculator. Okay, after opening calculator, okay, and 78.5 minus 68.59 and current price. Okay, 68.59, this is 9.91 USD. Okay, difference. After replenishment, see how much difference is decreasing. Okay, minimizing loss. Okay, in previous version of Royal Q, here is showing replenish, but after updation, replenish, okay, replenish, after updation, replenish here is showing buy and sell. Okay, buy means replenish, you must be understand, buy means replenish. Okay, and see how to do this. Just I am clicking here buy. After clicking buy, as you will see here, total amount is what? in this order 98 USDT. Okay, and current price is 68, my entry price is 78, and profit and loss 12%. Okay, first click here, you must click here market price. Okay, where? Here. After clicking here, as you will see here, the color must be blue and here is showing market price. Okay, then apply for manual replenishment. Okay, I am typing here, as you will see here is showing 98 USDT, my total order amount. Okay, but I want to replenish here 104. As you will see here, when I am typing here is some changing. See, 104. It means that my entry price is now 73. Okay, converted 78 to 73 and current price is 68. A little bit difference. As you will see here, now I am checking and showing you on a calculator. Current price is what? 68.62. 0.62 minus, and after replenishment amount is what? 73.1. Okay, 73.1. Now here is showing $4. Before that showing $9 profit and loss. Now it's showing $4. Okay, now market is going up and this $4 decreasing into zero, then increasing for profits. Okay, in this way you can finish your losses. Okay, you you don't wait, just manual replenish it. Okay, you don't wait until market going up 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, just manual replenish it. Okay, it will reach and nearby that price 73.68, just $4 difference. Before that it's $9 difference. Okay, after typing here 104, now just click here to confirm it. As you will see here, okay, after clicking confirm, as you will see here, now my order amount is 202. Okay, before that it's $98. I have added $104. Now it will $202.4. Okay, and average price is changed 73.14. Before that it's 78. Now it's near to current price. Okay, and my losses also decreasing 6.18% in this way. Okay, I hope you will understand, okay, how to manual replenishment, okay, in RoyalQ app in this way. Okay, to decrease and finish your losses. Okay, temporary losses. Okay, in this way you must know, okay, wallet management. Okay, how to manage your this wallet management balance. Okay, risk reward ratio, everything in this way. Okay, then if my this order will, okay, close in profits, then okay, then I another select another coin and apply for replenishment. Okay, same way, procedure is same. Okay, any other coins like here, first, okay, will complete this AVOX USDT. After completion of this, then apply another coin. Okay, in this way, one by one. Okay, now my balance is, as you will see here, 1.25. Okay, after completing of this, my balance is what, $200 approximately. Okay, then I can easily apply another coin for replenishment in this way. Okay, this is called wallet management. Thanks.